Thousands of Sikh pilgrims received a warm welcome on the Pakistani side of the Wagah border as they crossed over to celebrate the Bisakhi festival. The festival ushers in a new year for the Sikh community and they also remember their Guru Gobind. The visitors were also delighted to be in Pakistan to celebrate this holy month.
This is my first visit to Pakistan. I'm really excited. And it's an awesome experience, wonderful experience. I have no words to explain, but it's really awesome.
वेलकम तो ठीक कीता वा ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਆ ਹੁਣ 2 ਘੰਟੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਖੜਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ
The pilgrims are scheduled to remain in Pakistan for another 10 days and will participate in a number of Bisakhi related ceremonies across the country. Their first destination will be Panja Sahib Gurdwara, where they will mark the beginning of this holy month on the 14th of April.
We are going to celebrate in a very joyous and festive mood, and we are very happy. We feel very nice. The same blood seems to be flowing.
ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦਾ ਮੇਲਾ ਮਨਾਉਣ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ, ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦਾ ਗੁਰਪੁਰਬ ਮਨਾਉਣ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ.
Authorities say that the strictest security measures have been put in place to ensure that no untoward incident takes place during the festival.
ट्रेन के अंदर भी सिक्योरिटी के, इन साइड पे भी सिक्योरिटी के इंतज़ाम किए हैं. हमने हर किस्म की जो ज़रूरियात थी, हमने लगेज स्कैनर भी लगाए हैं, हमने सीसी कैमरास भी लगाए हैं.
A number of ceremonies will be held on the 19th and the 20th in the honor of the Sikh festival. Now many believe that events of this nature will help in bridging the gap between the people of Pakistan and India. The Sikh community from across the border will head back to India on the 21st of this month. But for the time being, at least, they seem to be delighted over being in Pakistan. Umair Ali, Dawn News, Lahore.